This is one of the individual capacity building that ATMIS Police is providing to the SPF to capacitate the SPF in handling these sensitive cases of SGBV and child abuses.
We also have child marriages.
This is part of our efforts as SPF leadership to make sure that our police force actually adhere to international conventions that the Somali federal government have signed.
What is SGBV?
We have started to see an increase in cases of GBV and child abuse and child trafficking. This is primarily because of the drought and the famine that's happening in the country, but also the ongoing operations against Al-Shabaab in the regions where a lot of children are being kidnapped by the Shabaab.